Introducing IntelliRoll, a comprehensive line of motorized, roller-driven conveyor technologies manufactured by TGW Systems for carton and tote handling. When applications require accumulation, transportation, merging, or diverting, IntelliRoll may be a perfect fit for your operation. IntelliRoll is a modular and flexible 24-volt conveyor that utilizes premium quality equipment and advanced features. Its robust design is unequaled in the conveyor industry. Here's how it works. IntelliRoll features long-life 24-volt motors that are permanently mounted inside a conveyor roller. The low-voltage design is safe for employees, eliminates the need for high-voltage wiring to each conveyor, and protects the motor to allow for a long-life system. Zones are created by slave-driving one motorized roller to a series of idler rollers. In this arrangement, when the motorized roller starts or stops, the entire zone starts or stops simultaneously. Factory-installed and wired photo eyes detect the presence of product. The eyes are hidden under the top flange of our cruise channel frame to protect them from being bumped and misaligned. The photo eyes communicate to logic cards that are mounted within the side channel of the conveyor, directing the motorized rollers within that zone to run or stop. In merge or divert areas, similar photo eyes confirm that a transfer was successful. We apply simple logic cards for transportation requirements or a pre-programmed accumulation card for non-contact accumulation or a programmable Ethernet-based smart card for areas within your system that require a customized controls configuration. This approach helps to reduce your cost to purchase by applying the simple low-cost modules where needed and the higher capability logic cards only in the areas that require it. Speed and function adjustments on our logic cards simplify your system configuration and reduce startup commissioning time. Photo eyes, control logic modules, and bed-level zone-to-zone power and control wiring are factory installed in our easy access cruise channel frame. Everything is factory tested for a quick installation and startup on site. A high-value feature of IntelliRoll is the run-on-demand method of operation. This means that when there is no need to move product forward, the rollers stop and power consumption goes to zero. This low-energy, green technology design is great news for end users who are looking to create a LEED-certified facility or just want to reduce their power usage. An added benefit of run-on-demand is that component life is greatly extended, making IntelliRoll trouble-free far into the future. A short list of spare parts keeps it simple. Should a component need servicing, your maintenance team will appreciate how quick it is to install a replacement without shutting down the entire system. TGW IntelliRoll offers a complete package of application-specific components to address any functional requirement. All electric options can eliminate the cost of an air compressor or air piping on your system. If your system configuration requires curves, the motorized rollers are mounted below the carrying rollers to allow the use of true taper carrier rollers. These specifically designed carrier rollers maintain product orientation as it travels through a curve. Skewed roller sections help to position product for transfer or other operational function. Easy open, easy close, powered gates, and a wide variety of other optional devices complete the system. Safety is paramount in today's working environment. Since IntelliRoll's motorized roller concept only needs sufficient torque to move one product in one zone, there are no high-torque motors, belts, or chains that are used in other conveyor designs. Your risk and liability is reduced and personal safety is improved. IntelliRoll is the lowest noise conveyor technology in the industry. When the system is running, the internal mount 24-volt motors are quiet. Since IntelliRoll typically operates on a run-on-demand basis, the conveyor is often in a pause mode, which means the decibel level goes to zero. IntelliRoll accumulation utilizes our unique cruise channel frame. The roller's low, frame-high construction provides a built-in guardrail that speeds up installation, and the return flange feature eliminates the sharp edge found on most conveyors. These unique features make IntelliRoll a people-friendly conveyor for your employees to work near. Motor-driven roller was once considered the conveyor of the future. That future has arrived.